Hello little friends, come closer for a dino adventure. Bluey bounced across the sunny backyard with joy. Bingo wagged tail, ears perked high, sunlight shimmered on soft green grass below. Suddenly a rustle came from behind. Bluey's eyes widened. "Who's there?" she asked. Out popped a small green dinosaur, its tail twitched, eyes sparkling playfully. "Hi! I'm Krong," the dinosaur chirped cheerfully. Bluey barked, "Let's be friends and play." Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, so you never miss Bluey's fun adventures with friends. Krong leapt high, showing tiny claws with glee. Bingo laughed, "You're so fast, Krong." They chased each other around the flower beds, tumbling, barking, laughing under the warm sun. Coco arrived, clapping paws with delight. "Look at Krong spin, bouncing everywhere." Snickers barked joyfully, joining the fun. Everyone ran, tails wagging in playful chaos. Bluey tried to leap over a log. Krong twirled gracefully, landing lightly beside her. Bingo shouted, "Higher," jumped through the air. Krong obeyed, ears flopping with each leap. They tumbled through soft piles of leaves. Giggles and yips filled the backyard with cheer. Bluey whispered, "Krong, you're amazing at games." The dinosaur chirped, "Adventures are my favorite too." They discovered a sparkling pond nearby. Reflections shimmered with rainbow-colored light. Bluey stepped carefully on stones across water. Krong followed, tail brushing gentle ripples softly. Coco and Muffin joined with petals in paws, decorating the pond for extra magical fun. Bingo built a tiny stick fort proudly. Krong climbed on top, surveying the yard with glee. "Let's race to the big tree," Bluey shouted. Krong zipped ahead, nimble and fast as lightning. They leapt together, over roots and soft stones, landing gently, breathless but full of joy. Evening sky turned golden, painting everything warm. Shadows stretched, filling the yard with soft glow. Bluey curled beside Bingo in soft grass. Krong nuzzled gently, friendship shining brightly. "Today was perfect," Bluey whispered quietly. Bingo nodded, "We made a new friend for life." Stars twinkled above, moon casting gentle light, hearts full of laughter, dreams ready to soar. Come back soon for another magical Bluey adventure.